What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Back at the beach, kind of hunkered down behind this this barrier of rocks right now. It's windy and I didn't want the wind noise to drown out my voice. But we're out here, gonna do a little bit of wading, just a little bit of I guess perch fishing in the surf for maybe like an hour or two. Got a couple of different baits that I brought, so looking forward to trying a new one for the first time. I'll show you guys that. It's a little bit stormy. We'll kind of see how this goes. The surf is also up, so there's probably lots of like plants and kelp and stuff in the water. So do my best to avoid that stuff, and that'd be it. Let's get fishing. Well, I've been fishing for a minute in this spot. I'm going to move down the beach a bit. Got a couple of tiny little nibbles, but doesn't feel like anything of any kind of size. Maybe something, I don't know, who knows. Small and too small, I mean, to even take the bait. Bait fish, something like that. That's what you do. Fish a spot, no bites, move. It's the name of the game until you find them. Plus the conditions are less than ideal right now. So we'll see how this goes, guys. Check this out, guys. I just found a sand dollar. Besides that little chip on the side, it's pretty much intact. Found it in all these rocks. I can't believe it hasn't broken into a million pieces. Sweet. Day 2. Came to a slightly different beach, one I haven't been to in a very long time. I've actually never fished at this particular spot before, but I hear it can produce, so here we go. All right, we are going barefoot today. Woo! Wet wading, whatever you want to call it. Water's warming up. Oh, and this is what I'm using today. See, a HoneyBadgerBaits Slayer, but I'll put the link in the description. I always do for my stuff. I'll also put his Instagram in the description. It's a local guy. All right, jetty didn't work. Going to the other jetty. All right, guys, just fishing along the rocks here. right there, big bite. As soon as it hit, it was on the drop too. It cooled off a lot, so it is not warm right now. But I am determined to go home after catching at least one fish. Trying to get out here a little further than I could cast. The wind picked up, so that kind of killed the casting. Let me see if I can get it out here. There we go. Woo. Yeah, so this is a barred surf perch. They're all over out here. Yeah. Yeah, they get a lot bigger than this, but I mean they also get a lot smaller. So.
I'm a lake fisherman.
Me too. Well, I mean, I do it all, but there you go. Sure. Yeah, I was gonna say, what's the closest one to you? Okay. They have like striper and stuff in there, don't they? You know, I gotta get out there and catch me a striper. I've never caught one.
You can only get some if you got a boat.
Yeah, I'm sure.
And if you're trying to get them on the shore, gotta be one lucky motherfucker.
Yeah. I've had a few nice people come up and say hi. Wind's picking up, it keeps getting colder and colder. I've had a couple more bites, nothing since that last perch, probably 15 minutes ago. Nobody else on here's caught anything. I had a guy come up, say he came out here for 2 hours this morning. Didn't catch anything. Oh, there's a bite. All right, guys. Oh, I just got smacked. Woohoo! Another perch probably, feels like it. Oh, little tiny halibut. Check that out. All right. Yeah, check that guy out. Nice little halibut. Obviously not a keeper. Get the hook out. There you go. Halibut. Nice little halibut. Let him go. See you later, Mr. Halibut. All right, guys, that'll pretty much do it. I got snagged on the rocks and broke off, and didn't bother. I don't want to re-rig. I'm done. It's windy. It's getting kind of cold. Not kind of cold. It's really freaking cold. So I'm gonna call it. I've got lots of good videos coming up, guys. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Take care.